up YouTube, it's your girl Dom back with another Feasting Fridays video. Today we are making Indian style chicken curry with white rice and fresh cilantro. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So starting out, we have our ingredients here. We have some plain yogurt. This is 2 tablespoons worth. Then we have 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock concentrate, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. This is 1.5 cups of rice, 2 tablespoons of Garam masala, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Then we have 2 cups of the curry base. It's a Tikka simmer sauce. I don't know, I got it from Target. We have 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow onion, some fresh cilantro, and then we have 2 breast fillets of chicken and 1 chili pepper. First, we're gonna go ahead and cook our rice. As you can already see, this rice has already been washed. So you're gonna go ahead and add your water. For every cup of rice you have, you wanna add 1 cup of water. I'm also going to salt my rice, give it a little bit of flavor. Next, we're going to finely mince our cilantro. Same thing, we're going to nicely dice our red bell pepper. Me personally, I like it a little bit on the chunky side, but if you want a true authentic Indian style, you can also puree this. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the onion. We're going to go ahead and dice up our onion into pretty small parts. Like I said, me personally, I like it chunky, but you can also puree this along with the red bell pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and thinly slice our chili pepper. Trust me, you only need 1 of these. And now we're gonna go ahead and dice our chicken. We're gonna make really small squares. That way we have bite-sized chicken pieces. Next, we're gonna go ahead and start to season our chicken. We're gonna go ahead and toss all of that cubed chicken in a bowl. And then you're gonna throw in your yogurt. And you're gonna coat your chicken in yogurt. This will help lock in moisture, and it'll also give some texture that the seasoning can stick to. Next, we're gonna throw in our Garam masala seasoning. Don't use all of it, you're only going to use about half of it. Then we're going to hit it with some onion powder, garlic powder, garlic salt, then we're going to throw in some freshly ground black pepper. And you just want to go ahead and mix this around. That way all sides of the cubed meat are evenly seasoned. You can also go heavier with the seasoning as well, but this is what it looks like after everything is done. Now you're gonna go ahead and preheat your saucepan. You're gonna throw a little bit of olive oil in there. That way we can start to cook down and saute our onion and bell pepper. You're also going to go ahead and salt it just to give it some flavor. And same thing for the freshly ground black pepper as well. You're going to go ahead and let those cook down until everything is soft. We do not want to eat raw onion or raw red bell pepper in our curry. After everything is cooked down a little bit, you're going to go ahead and toss in your garlic. And you only want to cook that until it's fragrant because garlic burns very easily. So once everything is cooked down, you're going to go ahead and remove your vegetables. You're going to put them in a separate bowl. And in that same pan, you're going to throw in some more olive oil and then toss in your meat. And we want to brown our meat. So you want to put enough oil so it doesn't stick to the pan and burn, but you don't want to put so much oil that it fries. You're just trying to brown your meat. You can constantly keep mixing around your meat. That way all sides are cooked and seared perfectly. You want to cook this till it's about golden brown. Then you want to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of water. Mix in that curry base. Again, this is 2 cups of the simmer sauce. You can get this from Target, Albertsons, your local grocery store. And then I actually mixed in 2 tablespoons of butter. You're gonna melt that down. This gives everything a little bit more flavor. Then we're gonna mix in our chicken stock concentrate. If you don't have chicken stock concentrate, you can also use the chicken bouillon. Mix in our paprika. Remember, you should be tasting your food as you're cooking. I felt like it needed a little bit more salt, so that's why I added it. But if you cannot have salt, or if you tasted it and it tastes fine to you, then you're good. Now, once you brought your sauce to a boil, you're gonna go ahead and mix in your veggies. That way they can sop up all of that flavor. Next, we're gonna go ahead and mix in our sour cream. This will cool down that heat from the spices. It gives a creamy texture, a creamy taste to it. Next, we're gonna go ahead and check on our rice. Make sure it is fully cooked. We're gonna go ahead and work on our presentation. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a small bowl, fill that bowl with your rice, try to pack it down, and then you're gonna basically flip the plate on top of the bowl, turn it over, and push it out. That way it holds the form. And then you're just gonna go ahead and put your curry around the rice. Remember, presentation is key here. So you have to make this look really pretty, really nice, like restaurant style. And for a garnish, I am throwing on that fresh cilantro. To me, it adds another flavor. It adds a fresh citrusness. And then lastly, we're gonna go ahead and throw on some of those pepper slices. So that is our Indian style chicken curry. I really encourage you guys to try this dish. It's super easy, tastes delicious, and if you guys love Indian food, I highly suggest you guys try this recipe. Please let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for joining me on Feasting Fridays, and we will see you next week.